If your blob looks like it failed math class, that's not blob tracery. Today we're making blob tracery exactly like AE. Sharp, moving line patterns wrapping around the shape like it's solving equations in real time. This effect is clean, geometric, calculated motion that makes your edit look smart and high level instantly. When those tracing lines start moving, it just feels expensive. And before we start, I've got some special information for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This one is special. I've collaborated with one of my co-editors, and we've officially launched a professional editing service. We're providing Topaz upscaling and high-quality AECC, inspired by top editors like 24, K. John, Fictic, and many more. You choose the style. We deliver the quality. We also offer watermark adding and outro creation to level up your edits completely. If you're serious about upgrading your editing game, tap the link in the description and check it out now.